Our keynote speaker is TatsuoTomita, who is the president of the labs. Tomita-san has been at Fujitsu since 1973 in a variety of positions, the majority of which is around our product business. Tomita-san regularly presents on the big picture out of the labs, and today he'll be sharing his views with you. So please join me in welcoming Tomita-san to the stage.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm TatsuoTomita, president of Fujitsu Laboratories Limited, based in Japan. And today, I'd like to share with you an overview of the R&D strategy for the Fujitsu Laboratories Group. Next is here. Okay. Sorry. For Fujitsu and other ICT-related companies to work toward enabling and supporting a prosperous society, it is vitally important to have a good grasp of global-scale, intertwined, complex issues that societies are facing now. World population continues to increase, bringing about a host of issues on the global scale, including food supply, energy, the environment, healthcare, security, or transportation. These complex issues are interrelated and often cannot be resolved merely on an individual basis. Population and food supply issues are closely related, and so are various environment issues and global warming. So we can observe a solution for one issue may result in causing a new separate issue. So in other words, we are living in an era in which we must seek ways to comprehensively resolve these interrelated global issues as a whole, rather than separately resolving each issue on an individual basis. So much of the world has observed a paradigm shift that ICT is currently undergoing. In computer-centric era, In computer-centric era, computers are primarily used by specialists. However, this era was followed by the revolutionary development of networks, and broadband and internet became common. Non-specialist average people were then able to gain access to information regardless of their physical location. And this led to a network-centric era. However, even now, it feels that people are still adapting to devices and networks. So Fujitsu believes computing is progressing to human-centric era. The power of computing is embedded for daily lives and our business activities and social infrastructures. So by being alongside us, technology will assist people's activities. So in this process, ICT will liberate and intelligently organizing diverse information. This is human-centric ICT. In striving to bring about this human-centric vision, Fujitsu moved towards with both its research and business activities. On April 10th, Fujitsu Limited announced Fujitsu's technology and service vision of the Fujitsu Group. Details of this document are available online. As described on this document, Fujitsu's vision is to bring about a human-centric intelligent society, a society where people are free to achieve their full potential and drive innovations. A society where information is harnessed to generate new value that will in turn benefit business and society. And above all, a society where people can live in security, prosperity, and happiness. So in this technology and service, Fujitsu technology and service vision, Fujitsu announced its plan to undertake 3 key actions that relate to people and information and ICT. These 3 actions is to create innovation through people's activity. And second is to power business and society with information. And third one is to optimize ICT systems from end to end. By implementing these 3 actions on Fujitsu's eco-friendly shared platform, which leverage the technological capabilities that we have cultivated over many years, along with our continuous pursuit of quality and reliability. We will aim to work together with customers and society to bring about a human-centric intelligent society. This will serve as a starting point for Fujitsu's growth strategy. The mission of Fujitsu Laboratories is to support Fujitsu Group's vision and growth by leveraging leading-edge technologies. For these 3 key actions, along with shared platforms that will support them, Fujitsu Laboratories will seek to generate innovation through leading-edge technologies. And in the short term, to contribute to growth of existing business. And in the medium term, to drive continuous innovation for new businesses. And in the long term, to create breakthrough innovation towards the cultivation for new markets and new businesses. So I'd like now discuss in the direction in which we are pursuing research for each of these 3 actions and shared platforms. This is the first Fujitsu's action. Fujitsu's first action is creating innovation through people's activities. The real physical world represents a front line where people actually live their daily lives. An important priority in achieving this first action lies in our capacity to determine how we can integrate the real and digital world, in other words, ICT world, in order to fully take advantage of people's ability and empower people and society. A key part of this involves supporting activities and daily lives of people through interfaces that appeal to the 5 senses. And next, another important factor is the network that enables a plethora of sensor information about objects in the real world to be shared across the digital world. So by building networks that can connect objects and people with society while sharing information and returning value to individuals. Fujitsu Laboratories is pursuing research with the ultimate goal of delivering services that are customized to meet individuals' tastes and preferences. The multi-sense interfaces and sensor technologies and network technologies that connect people, objects, and society will all be key technologies. Second action is powering business and society with information. So going beyond solutions that have primarily been utilized data for vertical industry, we would like to utilize cross-industry data and even society-wide data. Therefore, we are transitioning from individualized solution towards cross-industry solution and society-wide solutions. SaaS and cloud security platforms become critically important from the standpoint of guarding personal and enterprise data. And in the future, we will need to move towards the direction to predictive security platforms. And one of our main objectives is to build systematic knowledge from massive data set of varying reliability and granularity. So, and in the future, we need customize. Also, customize is also key factors in this field as well. Technology for massive data set, technology for leveraging massive data set, on technology for security platforms, and technology for leveraging society-wide data are key technologies. Fujitsu's third action is optimizing ICT systems from end to end. Fujitsu is committed to delivering ICT platforms that rapidly adapt to the ever-changing circumstances of businesses and society. Starting from planning stage of application development, Fujitsu supports business growth through total management services ranging from application planning, deployment, and operation to maintenance and modification. Fujitsu wants to support sustainable growth via platforms that enable analysis and reuse of collective customer data. Another important point is that we deliver technologies that dynamically respond to business fluctuation by providing server resources that meet neither use and through network-wide distributed processing. In the future, we want to pursue research into global mobilization of server resources and through use of proactive networks. In this area, what is important is delivering overall end-to-end optimization. And to do that, we are pursuing research into elemental enabling technologies, including fabric computing, application platforms, and so forth. And I'd like to discuss our shared platforms that support Fujitsu's three actions. Fujitsu Laboratories has categorized three broad areas, our shared platform into these broad areas. We plan to pursue robust, in-depth research in these fields to bring about a human-centric intelligent society through core technologies for high performance, high quality, and eco-friendly advanced ICT. Manufacturing simulation is one of the three broad areas for our shared platforms. We want to transform manufacturing through synergistic effects of frontline integrated modeling simulation and high-performance computing. Intelligent software development is another another one of the broad area for our shared platforms. Today, software embedded in the product accounts for a significant portion of product quality and performance. So making software development more efficient and enhancing security quality are essential in manufacturing. And furthermore, if we are to contribute to advancements in such areas as high-speed processing, high-capacity communications, and efficient energy usage, new materials that go beyond the limit of silicon will be extremely important, as well as device technologies and coordinating and packaging technology that drive them. This slide depicts how Fujitsu Laboratories is positioned within the Fujitsu Group. Fujitsu Laboratories receives R&D funding from Fujitsu and affiliates within the Fujitsu Group. And Fujitsu Laboratories conduct R&D. And large pillar in the middle represents for the Technology Strategy Task Force, comprised of members from Fujitsu Laboratories and Fujitsu's business groups. This Technology Strategy Task Force discusses the medium-term strategic direction of the Fujitsu Group and outlines part of the agenda of our research activities. And furthermore, through collaboration with university and research institute, Fujitsu Laboratories maintains a broader network for its research activities. Since 3 years ago, as shown here, Fujitsu Laboratories has been implementing new strategic R&D scheme structures. So Fujitsu Laboratories receives research projects from business group, and these business strategic themes are allocated approximately 40% of our overall budget. And company-wide core strategic theme, which was set by Technology Strategy Task Force I described earlier, allocated another approximately 40% of our overall budget. And seeds-oriented themes that have longer-term horizon based on Fujitsu Laboratories technologies are allocated approximately 20% of our overall budget. These seeds-oriented themes are research projects we pursue based on our own judgment. So we pursue these with the hope that they eventually become company-wide core strategic theme and business strategic theme. But depending on the circumstances, other outcome has occurred to date. These are our core strategic theme for research for fiscal 2013. Until fiscal 2012, we pursued 5 core strategic themes: human-centric computing, intelligent society, cloud fusion, green data centers, and manufacturing innovations. And fiscal 2013, we have given the core strategic domains the following name: ubiquitous innovation, social innovation, ICT innovation, and manufacturing innovation. Each of these domains correspond to Fujitsu's 3 actions and shared platforms. Our fundamental plan for this fiscal year is to focus our R&D in 4 areas as core strategic themes. And of course, we are pursuing new seeds-oriented themes that represent future topics that do not fit into any of these categories. As depicted here, at the end of 2012, within Fujitsu Laboratories R&D Strategy and Planning Office, we newly established 4 advancement office to strategically focus on specific fields. 2 advancement offices shown on the left, Life Innovation R&D Advancement Office and Mobility R&D Advancement Office, are responsible for organizing Fujitsu Laboratories technologies related to the life innovation and mobility. These 2 fields will particularly be important going forward. 2 offices also review Fujitsu Group's current products and services in order to formulate strategic initiatives that guide development of new solutions. And the 2 offices shown on the right are ATO, Academic Technology Outlook Advancement Office, and Open Innovation Advancement Office. Academic Technology Outlook Advancement Office gathers academic data to gain a bird's-eye view of R&D trends and guidelines. And Open Innovation Advancement Office supports the collaboration with external R&D organizations and universities. Through these newly established 4 advancement office, Fujitsu Laboratories will strive to deepen and accelerate our research initiatives. In these ways, Fujitsu Laboratories will leverage leading-edge ICT technologies to drive innovation in order to support and realize a sustainable human-centric intelligent society that, similar to bamboo, is robust, resilient, and flexible. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.